camera action. I'm the main attraction. Post it up to get the reaction. In this life of a social media